Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I would like to introduce you to a tool. It's called Quadratic AI Sheet. So this is the next generation of spreadsheet. You might have come across Google Sheet. You know Excel and you would use it on a day-to-day basis. So this is the next generation of Excel sheet. So what it can do is a lot of things. It has a ChatGPT kind of LLM model built into the spreadsheet. It can do various analysis. It can even populate with sample data and other information. So let's look at what all things it can achieve. So if you look at analysis part, if you look at the analyze of our social media metrics, if you have a data like this, date, platform, ad spend and conversion, you can just go and ask like what is calculate the ROI for each platform. So it will do the calculation and create a table like this, using which you can find out, okay, the cost per conversion is this much in various platforms and all those things. You can do the analysis. So now if you want to create charts, you can say charts over user over time. So this is the revenue, this is the users, this is the month. Now if you want to plot a chart to see how the revenue changes according to the users over a period of month, so that is a monthly user growth. Then you can see that on the chart using this just a prompt. Now if you want to create a model, you build a predictive model to forecast energy usage over the next quarter. So it will generate an energy model and it can come up with a forecast, and it will show you based on the historical data, and it will show you the confidence level interval also there. Now if you go to reports, give me sales report by regional performance, all those things it can do. It can generate even complicated dashboards. Here you see that I have created a dashboard analyzing our website visitors metrics. So it has created the web events for an analysis. So this is the home page, this is the product, this is the cart, this is the checkout, and this is the purchase. So among this 100% of the visitors, only 10% got translated into purchase. So the purchase distribution by region, all this can be done. If you look at multiplayer, you can create a chart showing month over month returns to for major tech stocks using finance data. So all those things it can do. So let's go back and see what you can do. So this is the sheet, quadratic AI sheet. Now you don't see any data here. You have all the functionalities of Excel and much more here. So if you want to do something, you can just come here and ask it to do it. Here you have the code editor. You can put Python, formula, all those things you can put it from here. Now if you look here, you have connections. You can connect to a SQL server. You can connect to an Excel sheet. You can upload the data from the Excel sheet directly here. You can create a connection. Now this is the kernel. This is the command palette. So now if I want to get some data here, I can just say give me a sample data to get started with the quadratic. Okay, so create a sample data in my sheet. Now once I give that command, it will create a sample sales data with some common business metrics. So now I have created that. So it is having 10 rows. So it has created that entire data for me. Now if I would have said something else, it would have created data accordingly. So now with this, I can do all my analysis. If I want to create a chart out of it, okay, so let me say that create a sales chart by product. Create a line sales chart by product. Let's see what it comes up with. Create line sales chart by product. So I'm expecting it to create a line chart by plotting it based on the product, that is laptop, over a period of time. So it is now creating it in Python. As you can see, it's creating a line chart showing sales trends by product over a period of time. So let's see what it's. I notice there is an error with the accessing the table data. Let me fix this by more specific the date range. So it has come across some error and now it has fixed it on its own. Okay, so now this is the data that it has. Let's see what it has come up with. Okay, so now if you look at laptop, this is the sales data for laptop over a period of time, January, to January 5th. I think the data is limited. It has only 5 days data. That's why it is able to show this like this. But this is how you use quadratic AI sheet. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.